Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Jason, and you're tuned into I Speak Geek. So guys, this is a video I was kind of anxious to make. So I just took delivery on a 2021 Model Y. Yeah, that's right, a Tesla Model Y. These things are going like hotcakes, so it took a little bit longer than I expected, and I could talk about the whole process in a later follow-up video. But let's actually take a look at the vehicle because it is sick. And I'm not just saying that because it's mine, but actually I am, but it's really sick. And let's go through some of the features and see what you're looking at if you're considering purchasing a Tesla Model Y. All right, guys. So here is my Tesla Model Y, and I call her Raquel. So as you can see, I went with the all black. I did find a sticker that you can change the logo on the front to red. It looks pretty clean. And with this one, I went with the 7-seat configuration just because I have little kids. Let's open the trunk. As you can see, the trunk, you lose a little bit of space there, but you also have the below part, and you can always put down these seats, gain more space. I definitely suggest, if you can afford it, to get the 7-seat configuration, just because, having the space, even though if you're not going to need it, on those off chances that you do, it's just a great option to have. Let's go inside the vehicle and take a little look around. And we can talk a little bit more about the Model Y. Okay, so here we are in the Model Y. If you notice, the 2021 is different from the 2020, as in the trimmings are subdued. Then you have the wireless charging pad here, and then of course you get your bin, which is also subdued. It's definitely deep. I got a pack full of junk, and then you go into your other space, and again, I got my junk all up in here. Everything is handled here on this big 15-inch touchscreen, even the glove box. And of course you can set a pin. You see your Sentry footage here, as well as your dash cam footage, all right here in front of you. Of course, all your cameras, your level of charge, because I'm currently charging, and then of course you have your mirror, which has pretty poor visibility. Your hazard lights and your regular lights are controlled by actual physical buttons. Your visor is held together by magnets, very strong magnets. There is no little latch it clips into, and the same thing with your mirror, held together by magnets. Of course, there's that big beautiful view from the roof, and that's pretty much it for the inside of the Model Y. Like I said, I like it a lot. One of my favorite features is they see how you can control the airflow in here, and just put it pretty much wherever you want, and the fact that all the seats have heating, and even including the steering wheel. And guys, again, look out for more videos talking about the Model Y and EVs in general. And guys, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Later. Peace.